Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Scorpio Ascendant. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now, Sun is starting from your 5th house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed about in our last month prediction video. Sun will stay into your fifth house till after 14th April. Sun will move from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position. 10th house will be your work environment, your superior, your bosses, your authority figure in your life are seen from 10th house. How good you are into your work, your nature of work, your colleagues, all of these are represented by 10th house. Your authority, how far you can go into your career, all of these things are represented by 10th house. So your 10th house lord is right now starting from your 5th house, where Mercury is already present in its debilitation sign in its retrograde motion till 8th April. After 8th April, Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion. So 5th house will be your children, your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can learn things also represented by 5th house. Your mental abilities represented by fifth house play a very important role in matter of politics as well. So your sun will be present into your fifth house till 14th April. Till 14th April, we can expect you will have great result regarding your work-related matter. Just you need to avoid communication difficulty, your ego battles with your coworker and superior, because there are chances you may involve into some ego battle because your 10th house lord will be in its into your fifth house. House lord will be working with your mental abilities during 14th of till 14th of April. Though there are chances, Sun also represent ego, and Mercury is also moving in its limitation sign. It's retrograde motion. That's why you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter. Rest we can expect you will have great result regarding your mental ability. You will perform very well at your workplace. You will put a lot of effort regarding your work related matter, and your superiors and bosses will be supportive to you. After 14th of April, when Sun will be in its exalted position into 6th house, then there will be a good, very good position. Then there will be a more good position for you people regarding your work related matter, regarding your earnings related matter, and your savings related matter. Because 6th, 2nd, and 10th house, this triangle is always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. If you are dealing some court case litigation argument, then there is a possibility things will come into your favor. You will have the win position. If you are doing some competitive exam, like you are into some education related matter and doing some about to give some competitive exam, then we can expect there will be a good result regarding your uh, competition related matter as well. Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury, as we discussed in Sun section, moving in its retrograde motion is debilitation sign, because Pisces sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mercury, and Mercury is right now present your 5th house in the sign of Pisces amongst many planets. So there are possibility you may face some disturbance with your children, with your loved ones. If you have any sincere love relationship, if you are married and you have children, then there are something you may face some disturbance regarding your children's matter. Especially till 8th April, till Mercury moving in its retrograde motion in its invitation sign. After 8th April, we can expect some relief, because 8th house is a naturally malefic house, and 8th house lords will be transiting from your 5th house. We can expect there will be a some problem will be associated with your children's related matter and your love relationship. So you need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. After 8th April, when Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion, then you will have some stability. And after 14th April, when Sun will move from your 5th house, 6th house, then you will have the more stability regarding your 5th house, regarding your mental abilities, regarding your fun activities related matter. When Mercury come out from its retrograde motion, because from 5th house, we also see your fun activities related matter. And Mercury is your mind, Mercury is your analytical, calculative mind. Sixth house lord is right now present into your fifth. 11th house lord is right now also present into your fifth house, because Mercury controls two houses, 8th house and 11th house into your birth chart. So 11th house is already occupied by Ketu till May. So till May, you need to be very careful regarding your friend circle, professional circle when you're dealing with your support system. Your hopes and wishes may not fulfill during this time period, especially till May 2025. So, 11th house also deal with your gains related. So, try to not run too much for gains uh, during this time period. Try to balance your needs regarding money related matter, because Ketu in 11th house perform that way. If you run too much for gains during this time period, Ketu will give you some disturbing result. So, try to manage your needs till May, till Ketu is right now till Ketu will move from your 11th house to your 10th house. Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is as well transiting from your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. Pisces sign considered as the exalted sign, means Venus performs very well in the sign of Pisces, and Venus is also moving into retrograde motion as we discussed in our last prediction video. So Venus will also giving you support regarding your all the difficulty which we have just talked regarding Sun section in Mercury section. But still, you need to be careful, and Venus will also give you support regarding your mental abilities, regarding your planning ability, and your children's and love relationship related matter. Because Venus also seventh house is your relationship, your marriage, your legal binding, your commitment, your agreement thing. So if you are not married, then you will have a good result regarding your love relationship. If you are not married and want to convert your relationship into marriage, then there will be a possibility you will get the chance to get married, because Jupiter is right now starting from your seventh house, and seventh house Lord is right now present in your fifth house in exalted position. Moon controls your ninth house, and right now Moon is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 1st April 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever moon is starting from 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit, during these days you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulty. And this difficulty either could be a physical or mental difficulty, because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house into your transit chart, during these days also you may have some type of disturbance, issues and problems into your life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's transit chart. Mars controls your first house and your sixth house. Mars is very important planet for you people, because Mars is your ascendant lord. And first house set the map of your chart. So first house is a very important house for something with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your general health, your general physique, your appearance, etc., etc. Your mental perception, thinking pattern, all of these things are understand by the sign into your first house and your ascendant lord. Sixth house will be the court case, litigations, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt, your competitive exam or anything competition seen from sixth house, your loans, your debt, etc. etc. So your first house and sixth house lord is right now turning from your eighth house in the sign of Gemini. Mars present your eighth house for a long time previously, because Mars was also moving to retrograde motion. But right now Mars is moving to direct motion and about to move from your eighth house to your ninth house in the sign of Cancer. And Cancer sign considered as a debilitation sign for Mars. So, first house and sixth house lord will be moving into your ninth house after 3rd April and will be in stabilization sign. Ninth house deal with your teachers, mentor, father figure into your life, your higher education if you are doing the post-grad education, religious, non-religious inclination, following the rules and regulation. All of these things are represented by ninth house. Your long distance travel related to pilgrimages also, or visiting some different places of seen from ninth house. Your luck related matter also represented by ninth house. You may get some disturbing result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life. If you are in education life, but you may get some disturbing result like if you are in education life due to presence of Mars in temptation state. You need to avoid conflict with your teachers, with your guider, advisor, or coach, trainer. If you have any of this type of person into your life, like you are a student or you have a coach, you are learning some sports and you have a coach, then or in regarding all of these matters like your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, trainer, you need to be very careful when you're dealing with these type of people in your life in the month of April. You may face some disturbing result. Also, if you have elders in your home, you need to be very careful regarding their health. Their health may get disturbed time to time in the month of April due to presence of Mars in its debilitation state, and also controls your sixth house. Sixth house also deal with your acute diseases. Health issues are also seen from sixth house. Uh, you need to avoid travel during this time period. If you want to move somewhere, you need to postpone the date of your travel, especially till Mars will be present in your ninth house. You may get some disturbing results. You may not get the desire fulfillment of desire of travel if you travel during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpios and people. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.